Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
For the Meta News Blanco business segment, providing Horizon World members with unique information on incorporating a business. Today is July 25th, 2022, and the topic for today is the business plan. Okay, I want to introduce you to the business plan because the business plan is a very important document for anyone starting a business because it's going to give you the roadmap to the successful operation of your business. It's going to even make sure that your business is set up properly in the beginning, so that your business have longevity, as well as having an exit strategy should anything happen with your business. Things such as the market, the market issues or the economy, anything that could happen that would cause your business for unforeseen threats. If they were to happen, this business plan would have a contingency within it. So I want to get Horizon members focused on getting a business plan and in order. And I'm going to tell you a few things about a business plan that'll help you understand why it's important for a business plan to be the first step in setting up your business. So the table of contents of a typical business plan is based on these different topics, which are executives tell you the overview of your business. And then you have a company description, which has the company's overview as well as a mission statement. And then if you're doing products or services, you're going to have a section introducing to the public what your products are or what the services that you're providing. Then there's a major segment of the business plan called a marketing plan. And it's going to deal with your research, your targeted customers, what barriers you may have to entry. It's going to once again deal with your threats and opportunities that could affect the business based on the economy and different things that's going on with governments. It's also going to have a competitive analysis section, and if you have a niche market, it's going to talk about that, and it's going to talk about the methods in which you market, and it's definitely going to talk about a marketing budget. And for those who are selling items or doing business with third parties, it's going to talk about your distribution channels. Then there's another major segment called the operational plan, where it's going to focus on staffing, production, quality control, the locations in which you operate, the legal environment or what legal jurisdictions you fall under. It's also going to talk about the inventory, your suppliers and your vendors, and whatever payment terms or credit terms you may have, or more specifically based on what type of merchant account you may have. Then you have another section that will be for management and organization, where you would normally have the resumes of the management advisors, and you would have an organizational chart depending on what type of business entity that you set up. And then you have another section, a segment, which is the budget and expenses, which lay out your startup costs, the development budgets that you're going to have to develop out for your business for the year or for 5 years out, or if you even have a long-term plan longer than that. And then you're going to have your plan for the type of capital that you're going to try to acquire, depending on what type of business entity that you have as well. Then you have a personal financial statement that most small businesses start out with. And then the last section that a business plan, or the last major section that a business plan normally has, is its financial plan, in which you would talk about its cash flow projections or cash flow statements. It's going to show how you plan to use your funds or your financing that you may acquire for your business. And you're going to project your profits and losses. And then you're going to have a projected balance sheet and how you plan on balancing all your assets, whether they're financial assets or whether they're hard assets. And then last but not least, within your financial plan, you have a sales plan. It's going to show how you plan on financing your ability to do business. So what I wanted to make sure of is that the first step that everyone recognizes is a business plan, because once you get a business plan and you start going through the different sections, you get a clear view on the challenges and what you need to look out for. And it'll actually help you understand the nature of the business and what type of level of funding that you would need, because the business plan will help you see things that you may haven't taken into consideration. So basically, um, if anyone wants to get a copy of this business plan, you can leave in the comments. You can leave in the comments below to contact me either through the Oculus, app, or you can leave a message in the comments. You can leave your email, and I can send you a copy of the particular template that I was reading from. And if you have any questions as you're going through this, you can contact me, and I can answer any questions and direct you to sources and methods that you can use to understand how to get this business plan together. And it's just a starting point. And so that when you do get ready to do your business plan, it won't be foreign, and you'll have you'll be already ahead of the game, actually. So thanks for making Meta News your choice for business news and horizon. And you can tune in every Monday